My name is Natalie Clark.
And I'm Bill Clark.
And Bill is the farmer, and I have an e-commerce website. So the farm's name is Diamondback Acres, and my business's name is Chelan Beauty. Well, I think that vertical integration on a small scale, like what we are doing, where we grow the fruit, we pack the fruit, and then we ship it directly to our customers. The typical journey of fruit goes from the farm, the packer, the grocery store, and then eventually to the consumer. So what we're doing could theoretically offset quite a bit of carbon emissions from that long transport of foods. So the other thing is that we created our packing business for the simple purpose of minimizing waste, and we repurpose our own imperfect produce so that we can minimize that waste and increase available work hours for our employees. Well, I hope that the e-commerce brand Chelan Beauty can inspire other small farmers to take their business online. I think that in this day and age with Shopify, it has made it so easy for people to empower the farmers to connect directly with their customers. And typically with farmers markets in a city, the farmer still has to drive all the way there. They still have to take all their fruit there, and it's not always as sustainable as we like to think it is. But with the fruit going direct to the customer, it creates that connection that I think should be there. It also helps you be able to choose which farms produce better produce than others. It's not all created equal, and so it's a bummer that brand recognition isn't being applied to foods, or specifically fruit.
Yeah.
And then the other thing is that we are trying to get our packaging to be as sustainable as possible. So we're looking into a cooler design that can be sent back to us. We're looking into the thermal liners that can keep a box cold, being used from corn that could be dissolved at home or home compostable. We have some home compostable bags that we are going to be selling our cherries in this summer. So the giant retailers, they don't want to switch out of single-use plastic. And I really believe that all it takes is one company to have better alternatives, and it will force the whole system potentially to change.
So, going back to our mission, we want to keep Chelan farmland in farmland, and by not only producing fruit, but I think there, as Natalie explained, there's other areas where we can help be more sustainable with the products that we use, the methods we use, how we sell our products.
I have something to add to that.
Yeah, please do.
When my dad got started with organic farming, there wasn't really any kind of sign that organic fruit would become profitable. It was just the right thing to do at the time. And that's where I think that's our driving force now, is that we feel like we're in the right direction. We feel like people care, but we really have no way of knowing if this will be profitable.